So here's our warm-up that we're going to do. We call it the X drill. Basically what you're going to do is on your target, you're going to start on the heart or the brain, whichever one. But if you start on the heart, on your target, you're going to move to the brain on the target next to you. Then you'll go to the heart of that one and back to the brain of yours. And you notice that it's making a little from here to here to here to here, making a little X right there in the middle, right? The way the warm-up is going to work, we'll do one magazine with both hands, get a reload in, swap to strong hand only. One magazine, strong hand only, get a strong hand reload in by itself. Get the gun back out, swap to your offhand only reload. And then fight! Stop! Topped off, you can scan. Alright, so this one will be strong hand only. Same thing. Same drill we just did, just strong hand only. Fight! Stop! This stays here. Get that in your hole.
I'll be here for a week. Oh, I'm out. Yay!
So tap it on your hips. Offhand only. Take your time. X drill. Fight! Stop. Hold that up high. Pin it with this hurt arm. There you go. Yep. Get everything behind the trigger guard. Nice. Carefully. Nicely done. Get that offhand reload in. Gun will go in the pocket. If you can get it, you don't have to get the slide. Drop the mag though. Tap it on your hip. That's good. Work it back with your hand. And work your way back to the holster. Keep your head up, Doc. Nicely done. Nicely done. There you go. After you've topped off and scanned, you can work your way back to the holster. All right, guys. Retape, recharge, rehydrate.